If you just open the Gmail app on an iPhone or Android, here at the top you get the option for searching. You can see the search field here and you can type anything and search that to find the specific information inside the Gmail app on an iPhone or Android. But the problem is this also shows the recent searches here, and that might be bad for your privacy depending upon how you treat your privacy. So you might be wondering, how do you clear search history in Gmail app on an iPhone or Android? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to delete Gmail search history on iPhone or Android. In order to delete search history in the Gmail app on an iPhone or Android, what you have to do is you have to first of all go to Gmail app on your device. And once you open the Gmail app, next you have to tap on the profile icon in the top right corner and then make sure that you have logged in to the right Gmail account on your device so that you could clear the recent search history from the exact account for which you want to delete search history. And once you have ensured that, simply tap done, and after that we are ready to delete search history in the Gmail app. Next, you have to tap on this hamburger like icon in the left, and that will show up more information and settings inside the Gmail app. Here you have to scroll to the bottom and there you will see settings. So just tap on settings and that will show up settings options related to Gmail app on an iPhone or Android. Here you have to scroll all the way down and there you will see data and privacy option. So tap on that and now here you get more information regarding your data and privacy controls in the Gmail app. And once you are on the data and privacy page in the Gmail app on an iPhone or Android, here you also get the option to clear search history. You have to just select the option that is clear search history and further confirm that you want to clear and remove email searches history for the Gmail app. So tap on clear and this will delete the search history for Gmail app with a confirmation message like this. And after that, you have successfully deleted the search history in the Gmail app on an iPhone or Android. If I tap on the search field again, here you don't see the recent searches that was showing up earlier. So this way you may delete and clear search history in the Gmail app on an iPhone or Android. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to clear email search history on iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next video.